Okay, guys, as you've seen on the screen, let's try to differentiate knowledge at practitioner level to knowledge at return filer level. See, many of these GST Suvidha Kendra actually has a lot of people who can easily file a return. See, filing a return is a dirt symbol job these days because you have a cloud computing based GST network which does the return form filling up, most of it. All you have to do is simply file the invoice details of supplies and the invoice details of purchases. And in the return form, you may have to fill up some columns like your backlog of taxes outstanding before the introduction of the new Sahaj normal Sugam based system of GST return filing. So all backlogs. Sometimes you may have to manually give advances received, advances settled, etc., which are not visible to the system, cloud computing network. So the return filing is a simple job. It's practically a Tom, Dick and Harry's job. But then, being a practitioner is an entirely different cup of tea. While you check out some of the slides, I'll keep on briefing you on what is the big deal of being a practitioner, please. But as a GST practitioner, you have immense responsibility to keep the client away from trouble with the government. You have also made sure that he avails all eligible concessions, discounts and benefits offered by the Government of India. So please note, GST return filing is a more or less mechanical job, just filling up, it's like filling up an application form. So this could be done by anyone who is manning the GST Suvidha Kendras, or it's something like people manning the Akshaya Kendras. Very simple job. Whereas when it comes to the job of GST practitioner, things become enormously complicated. One has to understand the purpose and the logic of the GST computations so that the practitioner can offer all the benefits that the client is eligible. To give you a simple cue, many a time you may have to avail GST on capital goods. So one must be aware on what are the provisos that the government has put in place when it comes to capital goods. Even defining capital goods with reference to eligibility for GST ITC, input tax credit, requires a thorough understanding of GST rules and regulations. So the simple job of return filing should not be confused with a practitioner's job. In many of my classes, my students have asked me, sir, if there is a cloud computing network in place which will do all the data processing for you, it will fill up the return forms. What is the big deal being a GST practitioner? Don't you think just to give invoice data on supplies and purchases, do you think you need a highly qualified practitioner? The answer to this question is, return filing is actually any Tom, Dick and Harry's job. Whereas making sure that the client is able to draw the benefits of all the cloud, all the benefits of the GST regulations that the Government of India has put in place is exactly what a practitioner is all about. Just to give you another cue as to what the role of a practitioner is. See, you can claim ITC if you are supplying goods which are zero tax. Or in other words, you are buying raw materials which are taxable, but your end product has no tax. In this case, you can avail ITC refund. So see, these are areas where you need knowledge. You need to understand the logic of GST, so that you can give the client the full benefits of the GST system of taxation. Please do not confuse a GST practitioner's job with that of a GST return filer. The big difference is like the job of a typist compared with the job of an advocate. An advocate may dictate a deed and the typist types it out. The formulation of the deed is a complex task, whereas typing is a simple task. Similarly, GST practitioner makes sure that the client gets all the benefits of the new system of taxation. That's a complicated job. Whereas a return filer simply fills up the return form. He doesn't even fill up the return form. He fills up the annexures to the return form, which are simply details of purchases and sales. And the cloud computing system spoon feeds a mostly filled return form. The return filer has to only fill up the blanks. So it's a simple job. So let's be clear. GST practitioner's job is immensely complicated, whereas GST return filer's job is damn simple, more or less like a typist's job. Thank you very much.